Good afternoon. This is my first vlog. Ngayon ay naghihintay ako sa next subject ko. Kakatapos pa lang na midterm namin. Ngayon ay pre-final. Sa first subject na pinuntahan ko ngayon ay maganda. 96. Pero yung 96 na yun ay hindi man ika-importante na subject. So, pero yung mga prelim ko mga 90, pero sa prelim ko meron ako isa 80. Oh my god. Medyo nakaka-disappoint yung 80 na yun. Wait, is that? Meron. Okay. Ngayon, kumaliwa ako dito. Nakita mo tong motor na to. Ito ang motor. Dapat, meron kang ganyang bubilya. Okay, boss. Oh, tama, meron ganyan. Kulay pula? Pula ba ang nakalagay dito? Dilaw yan, pero yung sa'yo nakakulay orange. Pero yung kaliwang ilaw mo may kulay orange. Yung kanan mo, hindi pantay, kulay blue. Oh, boss. Daan na kayo. Wait. Joke lang. Voice over ko lang yan. Now, right. Let's diverse our attention to other. Okay. Now I'm waiting. Today's Monday, and it's 3:30. It's about to 3:30 p.m. and I'm waiting for my next subject. Look at that view. So this is my first vlog, and I'm about to upload this to my channel. I hope this blow up. I hope my video blow up. Thank you for watching. And alright. What are they talking about again? Nothing. Look at the sky view. Alright, bye. Alright, let's talk about something else. Today I'm about to replace my ID, but it got the registrar. There's no one in registrars. It got cut off because they are about to make a drill for an earthquake. I saw it on their page, and they're about to make a drill preparation for earthquake. Maybe because they saw an earthquake in other region. So now I'm waiting. It's 3:30. I'm waiting, and 30 minutes ago I was waiting down at the ground floor. I got bored. I felt like there's no one coming there. There's no one to attend to us. Now, excuse my English, it's very very bad. I'm learning about English. Okay, talking about English. I have a subject in English, and they're talking about the A1 elementary. If you know A1 elementary, it's easy. They're talking about on prelim. We talk about the A1. It's about basic English. Yeah, basic English. There's no in, and there's no prepositions. That was prelim. But in midterm we discuss about on, in, at. and we made we made sentences on how to ask for location. That's called on in at. That's called prepositions. Now I just learned that because when I was elementary I did not focus on everything. It's math is hard. English is hard on when I was elementary kid, elementary school. I was in elementary school. And in my English, my prem English, I got 96. Before 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 my professor called me on his desk to show my grades. I saw the screen with the grades, and it says 97. And when he called me to his laptop, it brought down to 96. I don't know why he did that. I don't know. Maybe my my eyesight is blurred, because it was I saw it on the screen, and we weren't supposed to see it. It's so he shrunk the screen so we can't see it. I got 96 on that. But and my midterm, and I felt like my midterm on English is a little hard. That's the English discussion is about preposition, talking about asking question locations. Mm, I hope I got high grades, or please I got high grades. I hope. And on my global subject, global global about contemporary world. I on my prelim I got 91. But when my professor called me on his at the front and showed me on his laptop, I got 90. 90. I got top one on that. I got top one on that. But when I look at the website, on the website, I saw it's 91. Why why the grades changes when it when it when it when it posted on the website. And on my philosophy, I got 90. All right, I got 90. No, 91. Yes, 91. I got 91. And he called, when he called me, I got 91. And when I saw when I saw on the website, I got 91. It's stale and the same. And and someone said it changes. The grades changes. It's not the official grade. I'm sorry about my English. I'm trying to talk English. I'm trying to practice. Yeah, roast me on the comment about the English. Please do. And I'm going to talk about. Look at that fog. That fog at the far. You can see the fog. Yeah. You can see the fog, but you can see the buildings. Look at that. It's like a render distance at 100 meter. Just like Minecraft. Yeah, all right. Roast me about my English, and say, why you try to speak English? Why can't you speak on your own language? Right. I'm learning. Try to roast me. Nag-aral pa lang ako. Meron pa lang ako pinag-aralan. And I'm trying to find a job. I got I have a little experience about serving about job. That's all about serving. Um, uh, um, we had a little we had a sari store. No, um, we have a store business. We had a business, and I was this errand boy. Yes, errand boy. And I sometimes I do sell cashier. Yes, yes. And I hope I got the job, even it's a fast food restaurant, Jollibee, McDonald's. I hope I got the position as a server or high position on that from that the a higher position than that. And I'm going to look for a job. Just me. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm lost. I don't know what to do. But I will try to keep. I will keep. I will try to keep pushing because we only live once. And who else gonna do it? Just me. Keep pushing. You only live once. Yes. And trying to cope myself on self-thought, self-talk. No. All right.